Lesson 1. The lesson is our earth. How did the earth originate? Millions of years ago, explosion called the Big Bang occurred. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by that massive explosion. These celestial bodies together called the universe. It is also referred to as cosmos. Now I will explain about universe. The universe is a vast expanse of space. It consists of millions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids and natural satellites. The exact size of the universe is still unknown. Scientists believe that the universe is still expanding outward. First we'll see what is the galaxy. You can see the picture here, the galaxy. Galaxy has a huge cluster of stars. You can see the white particles here, this is stars. Galaxy has a huge cluster of stars. Our galaxy, Milky Way, is one of the countless billions of galaxies in the universe. You can see the picture here, the Milky Way, and this is the galaxy. Galaxy has a huge cluster of stars. Our galaxy Milky Way is one of the countless billions of galaxies in the universe. Next we'll see what is solar system. You can see the picture here, solar family. Solar system consists of the sun. You can see that the largest planet, the planets, their moons and the dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. These objects are gravitationally bound. There are 8 planets in our solar system. First you can see the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Venus. You can see the solar family here. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The outer planets of gaseous planets, they are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The inner galaxy planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are called terrestrial planets. The frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune. These are the solar family, the planets. Now, where is our Earth originated? The Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun and the 5th largest in the solar system. It has 2 movements. They are rotation and revolution. The Earth rotates on axis. It is called rotation of the Earth. It revolves round the Sun. It is called revolution of the Earth. Day and nights are caused due to the Earth's rotation. Some seasons are caused by the earth revolution. You can see the picture here. Life is possible only on earth because the presence of land, air and water. This first picture shows the summer season. The summer season starts from March to May. Winter season December to February. Winter season you can see very cold season. Third one is southwest monsoon. This June to September. Northeast monsoon, October and November. Next we can see the distance between the sun and the earth. The distance nearly 150 million kilometers between the sun and the earth. So Mercury and Venus lies near the sun. Next to earth is Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets near to the sun are very hot. The planets away from the sun are very cold. Mercury is the smallest planet. As you can see that this is the smallest planet from the solar family. You can see here. You can see the earth, where do we live on the earth. You can see the earth picture here. We live on the surface of the earth. It is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. What are the 7 continents? Asia. You can see the continents and the ocean here. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. You can see the continents here. Once again I'll tell. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. These are the 7 continents, and 5 oceans are there. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. 5 oceans are here. You can see the picture here, the continents and the oceans. Now the map is here, Asia map is here. The Asian continents where we live is the biggest of all. You can see the picture here in the map. This is the biggest of all, the continent. And Australia is the smallest one. You can see the picture here where Australia, you can see, if you see the picture, you can find where is Australia. Here, the small one, the smallest one. The Antarctica is the continent full of snow. Pacific, 5 oceans already we learned. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Now we see the percentage of the earth. The percentage of the earth, 71% of the earth is covered by salt water, and that is called ocean. Only 2.5% of water is fresh, and 1% of it is easily accessible. Now you can see the map here, Asia map here. This is the smallest continent, that Australia here. This is the full of Asia only. Okay children, I hope you all understand this. 5 oceans, 7 continents, and about the earth, solar system we have learned so far. And in Chennai we have the planetarium located in Chennai, which provides the tour, one of the night sky and planet in our solar system. If you go to Birla Planetarium, you can see the solar system there. It's a beautiful place. You, once you have time, after the lockdown, you go and visit this Birla Planetarium. There you can see all the solar system. Now you can see the book exercise. The distance between the earth and the sun is dash 150 million kilometer. Dash is caused due to revolution of the earth. Day and night is caused due to revolution of the earth. The continent which is covered by ice is dash Antarctica. The biggest continent is dash Asia. Dash is described as red planet Mars. Dash percentage of our earth is covered by salt water, 71%. Match the following, very only 3 only. The smallest continent Australia. Blue planet Earth. Neptune, the furthest planet. Remain the short answer, paragraph, answer in detail, and the activity all I will give then in the next class. Okay children, I hope you all understand. Once again I will review the solar system. There, how many planets are there? There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars.